Hello. So this application called POS minimum quantity allows you to add minimum number of quantities of the product to your POS order so that you do not have to manually add the products. Let's say five or two, you do not have to do that manually. You just click once and five products will be automatically added. So let's see how that works. So first we need to go to point of sale. We'll go to configurations, settings, and we need to first enable the minimum quantity configuration. Once this is enabled, you can save this. Now let's go to products. Now these are the products that are available in our point of sale. You can see that. Now under general information, you have a new field over here called minimum quantity. So you just add the minimum quantity. Let's say I've added 5. So whenever you add this product in your point of sale order, minimum 5 quantities will be added. So you can even keep it 0. Let's say if this is 2, this particular product is 2. For this it's 0. You can also keep it as 1. So for this product, no minimum quantity is required. Maybe you can say you minimum require 2 quantities or 1 quantity or 5 quantities. Now you also have another product here for which minimum quantity is 2. So you can add the minimum quantity of all the products here. Now let's go to our point of sale. We will add products. So let's say if this is one of the products, it will give us a confirmation that this product have a minimum quantity of 5. Are you sure you want to add the product? Okay. If I again add this, it will be 6. So but for the very first time when you add that, because it demands minimum 5 quantities, for the very first time it will always ask you for confirmation and add the 5 quantities, and then you can keep on increasing according to your requirement. So now this is minimum quantity of 2. Then I can add one more and make it 3. This does not require any minimum quantity, so I was able to add it without any confirmation message. And this again, we have 2 quantities minimum, and I can again make this 4 if I want. Now you can select the customer from here. Do that. Let me make the payment as well. I will validate this. And here you can see in the receipt as well, you'll be able to see the quantity. So here you can see 734, and if we go back to the back end, we'll be able to see the same in our orders as well. So let's go to our orders from here. Go to orders, and here you can see the quantity as well. So this is how the application works. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.